Welcome to TecoGuide, the only app designed to help you navigate your college and career journey in the quickest and most affordable way. This podcast is brought to you by EdTechWity, dedicated to opening doors to higher education and career opportunities for all.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our quick guide on college academic calendars. My name is Jackie and I'm your TecoGuide content creator. In this video, we'll explore the most important dates and the deadlines at any college. It's called the academic calendar. So listen up, because this is how you're going to survive college. It's super important to know your school's academic calendar. It helps you keep you on track. Students who don't understand or follow the calendar often fall behind in their grades and their classes and can eventually drop out. To find your college's calendar, visit their website and search for academic calendar. Semesters versus quarter systems. Colleges and universities typically follow two main calendar systems, the semester and the quarter system. Semester systems have 3 terms, fall, spring, and summer. While the quarter system has 4 terms, fall, winter, spring, and summer, be sure to know which system your college follows. Over 95% of California community colleges are on the semester system. Key academic dates. There are some essential dates and deadlines that you should be aware of. Semester start and end dates. Know exactly when the semester starts and ends. This way you don't show up to school when it's closed. Registration dates. These are the dates when you sign up for classes for the following semester. Register as soon as you are allowed to so you get the classes that you want. Add and drop deadlines. This is the last day to add or drop a class without financial or academic penalties. For example, if you drop a class by a certain date, you won't get the bad grade. You can also get your money back for the classes you paid for by dropping them by a certain date. Midterm exam dates. Midterm exam dates mark the halfway point of the semester, and these exams are critical in passing your classes. Lastly, final exam dates. Final exams last a week at the end of the semester. Knowing when your final exams are allows you to plan a study schedule. Here are a couple more tips for surviving college. Number 1, know about the academic advising and tutoring resources. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Colleges and universities offer valuable resources like academic advisors. You can schedule regular meetings with your academic advisor to ensure you're on track for your degree with the degree requirements. The best time to see them is about 4 weeks after your semester starts. That's when the office begins to be a little less hectic. Tutoring centers, sign up now to keep those grades up. In college, those who see tutors early do way better than those who wait to fall behind. The best time to schedule tutoring, even in the subjects that you're good at, begins 2 weeks after the semester begins. 2. Stay organized. Staying organized is a key to success in college. You're going to want to use a planner, whether it's a physical planner or a digital one, to keep track of dates and deadlines and assign yourself tasks. Trust me, there's way too much to try to remember. Just start a calendar. I personally use Google Calendar and tasks to keep all my academic and personal dates in order. Set reminders on your phone, your calendar, your computer for important dates like exams, assignments, and other deadlines you may have. You will use this skill every day in your professional life, so get used to it now. Remember, your college's academic calendar is your guide to success each semester. Familiarize yourself with it and stay organized. Success in college and in life is about how well you manage your time and your resources. For more tips on how to get through college in the most affordable way possible, download your free TecoGuide app or visit TecoGuide.com. If you have any questions or topics that you'd like us to cover in our future videos, please leave them in the comments below.
Thank you for tuning into TecoGuide, the app focused on bringing you tools and content to help you make better decisions about school, life, and career. We hope this episode has inspired you to pursue and excel in your own educational and career journey. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share.